All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Look at that, I got something pretty cool from ACEdc original right over here. Look at that, I got the Shadow Raider in zirconium. They come in this new box. That's pretty cool. Carry everyday ACEdc stuff. Very nice and colorful. You got this Pinocchio right over here with some cool sunglasses inside. You're gonna find the classic, the usual spare parts, just a couple of stickers, and you're gonna find your toy. Look at this. This is zirconium version. This is the Shadow Rider. There's 199 made of this fella, so it's a limited edition. Once these guys are sold out, it's sold out. You're gonna only be able to get something from the secondary market, but if you want to grab a brand new one, hurry up, check out Fablades.com. See if there's something there that is left, because this thing is machined nicely. Let's see this size of this fella, 33 millimeters and 15 millimeters in thickness. It fits pretty much every finger you got. Of course, the pinky is gonna be a little bit easier than the thumb, but still, you know, even if you have like fat fingers, like probably, I don't know if I have fat fingers, but still, you can just manage to put it right there and with your thumb just spin it. So this thing is ratcheting with a very delicate sound. There is no way to have this thing not to make sound. Even if you press hard, it still is gonna make sound. But if you keep this in your pocket and you gently and slowly do this, probably nobody's gonna be noticing you. This is very, very pleasant to the eye because of the look is pretty cool, futuristic kind of ring with these holes chamfered, made in zirconium. You can unscrew this fella. Let me see. Let's do this on this side. So this side just comes out like so. You have the all the inscriptions on the inside and on this side as well. Let me try not to do anything. You see, you have these two springs with the two little balls right over there, which are ratcheting around these holes right over here. So just be careful not to open this thing in the wild, because you know, you might risk to, let me close this all the way down. There you go. You might risk to lose the balls. Let me see if, what am I doing wrong? Oh, you see. So now, how are you gonna do this if you are in the field? It's not gonna happen. So right over here, you just got to do something like this. So I'm actually going to take my kit to put this thing back. Look at that, they're running away. So one is gonna go there. The other one is gonna go right over here. Put this thing right over there, like so. Just hold it tight. And you can screw the bottom part right in place. So this thing is all back to functioning. So you see just a little bit of maintenance and how to take care of your Shadow Rider. In zirconium, in this case, there's other materials. Let's see what you guys gonna get. Let me know down in the comments down below if you like this piece and what are your thoughts. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.